Hi kindergartners, Mrs. Meansuber here, and today I'm going to show you how to make some teen number flashcards at home. What I did is I got a piece of paper, just a blank piece, and I'm going to fold it. So first I'm going to fold it in half like this. Just folding. Then I'm going to fold it in half again, so that's 2 times. Okay, then in half again, so that's 3 times. Oh, it's getting hard to fold. And then one more time, 4 times, you're going to fold it in half. So folding it in half again. Now, when you open it up, you will have spots for 16 different numbers to make your number flashcards. See all my boxes in there? So what I did is I just wrote some numbers, some teen numbers in my boxes. Here's mine. And I used markers in different colors to make it look exciting. So I started with the number 10, and then I went across 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then you'll notice that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra boxes where there's no number if I write 10 through 20. So what I did in the extra boxes is I chose to write some numbers that are kind of hard for me to remember, some numbers that I need to practice. And I'm sure you guys have your own numbers that you need to practice too. So here's what mine look like. After I wrote numbers, I cut them all apart and I put them together. Like here's 19 and here's 12. So I have all my numbers cut up and ready for me to practice saying the numbers. Now with those extra boxes, what I did is I chose numbers that were hard for me to remember. Like for example, I know a lot of kindergartners get these two mixed up, 6 and 9. So I wrote those ones in the extra boxes. The other thing that I did is I wrote, gosh, you know what? Sometimes I get 12 and 21 mixed up. Do you guys do that? So I wrote 21 in one of the boxes so I could practice what's the difference between 12 and 21. I also wrote the number 20. That one seems to be kind of hard for kindergartners a lot. And then I wrote some other numbers like I need to practice 30. What does 30 look like? So I wrote it on a card. If you want to make extra cards, a whole nother sheet of paper with more cards and numbers that you need to practice, you can do that too. The other thing that I did is if it's really hard for you to remember those teen numbers, I drew on number 13, gosh, that one's really hard for me. I drew 2 little 10 frames, a 10 and 3 more to help myself remember, oh right, that's 13. Okay, now your assignment today is to go onto Flipgrid and make your cards, and on your Flipgrid, you're going to share what your cards say. So you're going to practice reading them. You'll show them to the camera, say this is 19. You'll show it to the camera and you'll say, oh, that one's 12. So I just want you to practice your teen numbers, 10 through 20 on Flipgrid today. All right, have fun today. Bye.